prototype design of the electric lockpick. And I'll pick a master lock number 3. Isn't a particularly hard lock, but we're not going on how hard a lock this thing can open. We're going on relative speed pick. So I'll start by opening this lock manually with a diamond pick, very similar to the one on the electric lock pick. Tension wrench. Okay. Open. Wasn't too long. So now we'll do it with the electric lockpick, powered off of a 9-volt battery. What I'm going to do is, the technique that works best for these lockpicks is to use very little tension. So what I'm going to do is not applying any tension. Let me get a good angle. I'll try from just the flat side. We're going to insert the pick all the way in the back, apply a slight tension, and open. Try that again. Not applying any tension. Straight all the way in the back, apply tension. Open. One more time. This time I'll use it the other direction and use the diamond side. Again, no tension, applying all the way to the back, apply slight tension, and open. So just for what anyone might think, these are very, very small picks, but they do work. So, almost as small as a business card. Now what this one does is it has, let me bring over, this is one of the other power packs. It's a 9-volt battery on a tether. It's really good if you have one in the jacket. Have it in here and have it running like that. See, there's right here that holds your ring finger, you grip it. Your index finger goes right here, and then thumb goes right here to activate the button. I should mention both the picks used in the electric lock pick and the picks I was using and the tension wrenches, these are all homemade picks. Is to say, it doesn't really matter what type of pick, you could probably mount a paper clip on the end instead of the lock. Okay? There you have it, demonstration of the prototype model of the electrical. Oh, before I'm done, here's the other. This is a later model of the lockpick. It has a different bit, same motor, same button, but I installed a silicone grommet. So this one runs a little bit quieter. It doesn't run quite as fast yet. I need to tweak the cam a little bit. Like 9-volt was unplugged, okay. This one only has one of the grommets on, so it's on the loud. The book prototype, and I will probably eventually put up instructions on how to make these. But for now, there it is. Thank you for watching.